Hey, what's going on? Are you looking for a way to make some money online? Now, this is the video that will reveal everything. So I'm going to show you a few different websites that you can make money and you could get paid doing surveys. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I know this probably not be for everybody, but I'm going to share that with you. So make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to show you some websites that are paying you just by doing surveys with little to no effort. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, my name is Andre, and on this channel, I'll talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways that I could share my knowledge with you so you could go out there and you can crush it. So if you want to learn how to make money online, maybe this particular video is not for you, but just feel free to just scroll through my channel. I talk about a lot of different things that will help people because I'm a full-time online marketer. This is what I do. I work from home, and also my wife does the same thing. She works from home as well. So it is good. We're doing great. And this is how we make money just by doing online businesses. So in this particular video, I'm going to share with you a couple websites that you could get paid online. You could get paid right away just by doing surveys. So the first website I'm going to share with you is a website that is called iSay. So iSay, you share your opinions and you can earn rewards. So you're going to get rewards points every time you fill out a particular survey. So if you'd like to sign up, you could just click on the link up here at the top right hand corner. But let's just scroll through here and see exactly what it is. So you choose the reward that is perfect for you. So you take surveys, as I mentioned, you earn points, and then you can redeem those points where you can put them in. So right here, see it live music, see it sport, and see it theater. So these are interactive surveys that you could do. And if you click on this particular see it live music, right over here is 200 per entry. So every 100 entry that you get $1. So if you got like 2,500, you'd roughly get like $25. So it's really cool. It's interactive. It's not boring. And this, you can go on your Google Play Store or you can go on your tablet. So you could go use it on your phone. So let me click on the Google app and see right over here, share your opinions. And they have a 4.2 star rating. So that's pretty high. That's not bad. People are, there's going to be good comments. There's going to be bad comments. People are going to say, yeah, I love it. Some people are going to say, well, we've worked on this a few different times, and for some reason, it's not working out. But people do make money on here, and I know that for a fact because when I was just starting out, my phone right here, this is my old iPhone, and on here I have a lot of different apps. So I used to download these apps and I used to do a bunch of surveys, just try to make ends meet. Now, this is not going to get you like super duper rich, but it can make you some money. You could pay a little bit of bills here and there, and you could probably buy some things with it for your loved ones. But it's not, as I said, it's not going to get you super rich, but you can make money. What I used to do, I used to make money on here, take that money, save the money, and then invest it into my other online business. So that way I could grow it because there's a lot of surveys online. There's a lot of free opportunities online, but they're not going to make you as much money as a paid opportunity because you pay to go to school. You learn how to get a skill, just like how you buy an educational course just to teach you how to do affiliate marketing the right way, how to launch YouTube channel, how to do that type of stuff. So once you have that knowledge, then you can implement what you learn and then you can take it to the next level. So this right here is a great way how you can make some money. And to explore the polls and you create it, you could just sign up, enter your email, sign up, and they will give you updates. They will give you surveys. I don't know how often they're going to give it to you, but you could get paid right away. And most of them, they'll pay you in gift cards, or you could get paid in PayPal. So whichever way is going to be easier for you, sign up. If you click on here, you can view all my rewards. And then once you do that, you see right here, You get $15 in PayPal funds if you get 1,500 points. $5 you get a Walmart gift card. You get $5 if you get 500 Amazon points. $25 when PayPal. So lots of more rewards. You could get Starbucks gift cards as well. So this is pretty cool. As I mentioned before, it's not going to get you super rich, but you can make some money. If you're looking for my #1 recommendation of how to make money online, check out the first link in the description, and I'll just send that over to you. So the next website that I'm going to share with you is Tell What. Now, these two websites that I just shared, you can do them anywhere in the world, not like everywhere, but nationwide, I should say. Anywhere outside of the US, you could sign up for these surveys. And for Tell What is great. They could pay you a little bit more money. And the online survey, you just come on here, you just fill it out. Like, for example, look at this question. Do you use any smart assistant technology like Google Home, Echo, all that type of stuff in your house? Where you say, hey, Google, right? You could say yes or no. Did you incorporate a smart assistant made your life a little bit more easier? Not applicable. Do you think that these technology products record your voice and conversation? So these are some of the questions. And then when you're done, you could just submit it. They have surveys on here all the time. People come on here, you do your surveys, you get a lot of points, and then you can redeem those points. As I said before, it's not going to get you super duper rich, but it can fill a gap. It can make you a little bit of money here and there. So sign up for it. And here are some of the points that you can earn. $25 $25 Walmart gift card, $10 Amazon, 25 Walmart, 25. So these are some of the points that you're going to be getting. But yeah, this does require you to put in a little bit more effort. But at the end of the day, if you have an hour or two per day where you could put in some time, go for it. I'm not going to say, well, stop what you're doing and just go do surveys. But most times if you just on your phone and you just scrolling through Facebook, you're on Instagram, why not do something with your time and make a little bit of money? You got to put some time in, put in a little bit of work. And as I said, it's not going to get you super rich, but it could fill a gap. So check it out. Click on here where it says you could, if you already have an account, sign in. If you don't have one, you click on where it says create an account. Once you click on create an account, you could sign in using your Facebook, or you could just put your email address. You could put your name. You could put your password. You could confirm, create an account. These are some of the testimonials that people are talking about. And it is good. You can even refer a friend, which is even great. So if you sign up for this and you know it's going good, sign up for the referral program where you're going to get your affiliate link. Once you sign up for it, you could send that link to that person. And every time someone sign up, you're going to get paid 25 points for referring a friend. So that's pretty awesome. You can make more money. You could go on Facebook and you can say, anybody on here would like to know how to make some money just by doing, a few easy tasks, because these are easy things that you could do. It doesn't require a lot of work. All you got to do is it's going to take your time, and you put in some time, put in some extra time, and make some money. So sign up for these two websites. They're great. You can make money with them, and that's how you can get paid online, just by doing surveys, just by put in a little bit of time. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you enjoyed that video, share it with somebody. Anybody out there that you think is struggling right now, want to find a way how to make some extra money without have to physically get a job right now, send this video over to them and share with them. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family for you to get some more videos. My name is Andre, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.